Well, I don't know how well you can hear me, but it looks like tonight's going to be the night we find out how waterproof the new tent is. Would you look at that view? Now, if you can see it back behind me, that is Yellowwood Lake. We're out at the Yellowwood Forestry to camp this weekend. We're going to be here Friday, Saturday until Sunday. Going to try and get some video shot and do some cooking and hang out. Tonight, not going to do a whole lot of filming, just taking it easy. Got the new tent out for the first time in the wild. Got my beautiful wife with me again, and we're set up. We got the new cots out. Got a new tent fan. Not that we're going to need it. It's going to be 40 degrees tonight. Everything's set up, ready to go. So we'll come back here in a little bit, but just wanted to show you all the beautiful view we're going to wake up to. The boat dock's down there, and this is Site 75 at the Yellowwood Forestry. So see you in a little bit. Back. Had a good night's sleep. Not too bad. Loving the new tent. Fire's going. It's nice and late because we've already had breakfast. And beautiful wife made some sausage and eggs, so we've got some cooking planned later today. The lake is beautiful as ever. I don't know if you can see it back behind me here, but just out enjoying ourselves. Lunch has started. Got some hamburger frying up. Got the Dutch oven prepped, and the beautiful wife is over here working away, cutting up. We're doing some Dutch oven nachos for lunch today. Something that everybody always makes, and I never have, so thought we'd give it a shot. Fire going over here with the, rather than putting a whole bunch of coals, which I will anyway, but heating the lid up, because that's a little trick I learned many years of using Dutch ovens. So get the lid nice and hot before you put it on. We've got tomato, avocado, onion, some salsa, taco mix, and hamburger. Looks like it's going to make a pretty decent meal. So I'll come back here in a little bit and show you the finished product. Beautiful wife getting the toppings all done, and layer one going down. Using aluminum foil because we're both lazy and don't want to clean out the Dutch oven when we're done.
Just a pinch more. Okay.
All of the cheese. Putting down some hamburger with a taco seasoning in it. Now we'll do another layer of chips and do it all over again. This ain't even cooked yet and it looks good. And now we wait. Got the top really nice and hot on the fire before I put it on, so hopefully that'll maintain some heat there at the top, and see if we can get it to melt nicely without burning. She's got the toppings going over here, and we'll get it all put together. All done. Looks amazing. That was about 10 minutes in the coals with a nice hot lid. Came out about perfect. And there's nothing in this world when you're camping more convenient than squeezed sour cream. Got some more toppings to add, and it's lunchtime, so we're not going to film me stuffing my face, so see you in a little bit. Well, I don't know how well you can hear me, but it looks like tonight's going to be the night we find out how waterproof the new tent is. So nice old thunderstorm rolling through here. Thought I'd see if I can get a little bit of footage. Lightning and thunder and all the wonderful things. Dry so far. Sorry for the horrible quality. The only thing I had in the tent with me was my phone. Well, everybody, we survived the night. That's it for this trip. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know you made it. And tent held up great. It poured rain last night, lightning, thunder. Wind wasn't too bad, but we guided out anyway. But packing up now, gonna have to take it home and set it up and dry it out. But we had a wonderful trip out here at Yellowwood State Forest, and we'll be back again. Not sure where the next trip's gonna be, but it won't be long off, so we'll see you then. We've got some cold weather heading into Indiana again, so spring's here, but it's still playing with my emotions. Seeing lows in the 20s, so I may get out and camp at night. You never know. But wet night, but the tent stayed dry, held up good. Gonna take her home, set her up. We'll see you next time. Again, thanks for watching Hoosier Outdoor.